Feeding the future. A look at sustainable agriculture. The world's population is growing. We're going to need more food. But traditional farming has its limits. It can harm the environment. Sustainable agriculture offers a better way. Sustainable agriculture is about growing food responsibly. It means protecting our natural resources. It means ensuring we can feed ourselves for generations to come. This approach to farming is gaining momentum. People are realizing its importance for a healthier planet. Sustainable agriculture is not just one method. It's a collection of practices. These practices aim to minimize environmental impact. They also aim to produce nutritious food. In the following sections, we'll explore some key trends in sustainable agriculture. These trends hold the key to a more sustainable and food-secure future. Reaching new heights. The rise of vertical farms. Imagine a farm. Now picture it towering upwards, not spreading outwards. This is the essence of vertical farming. It's an innovative approach to food production. Crops grow in vertically stacked layers. The environment is carefully controlled. Vertical farms often incorporate hydroponics or aeroponics. These methods use less water than traditional farming. Hydroponics grows plants in nutrient-rich water. Aeroponics suspends plants in the air. Their roots are misted with nutrients. The benefits of vertical farming are numerous. They use less land. This is crucial as urban areas expand. They reduce water consumption. This is vital in water-scarce regions. They minimize the need for pesticides. This protects both human health and the environment. Vertical farms offer a glimpse into the future of food production. They are a testament to human ingenuity in the face of environmental challenges. Working with nature. The principles of regenerative agriculture. Regenerative agriculture goes beyond sustainability. It aims to heal the land. It seeks to improve soil health. It focuses on biodiversity. This approach sees farming as part of a natural ecosystem. One key practice is no-till farming. This means planting directly into the soil. It avoids ploughing and tilling. This helps retain soil structure and nutrients. Another important practice is rotational grazing. Livestock are moved frequently to fresh pastures. This simulates natural grazing patterns. It prevents overgrazing and promotes healthy soil. Regenerative agriculture offers a range of benefits. It improves soil fertility. This leads to healthier crops. It sequesters carbon in the soil. This helps combat climate change. It conserves water and reduces erosion. These practices are essential for the long-term health of our planet. Section 4. Farming with Precision Technology's role in sustainable agriculture. Technology is transforming the way we farm. Precision agriculture uses data and technology. It optimizes farming practices. This helps increase yields and reduce waste. Sensors, drones, and GPS are key tools in this approach. Sensors collect data on soil conditions. They measure moisture levels and nutrient content. Drones capture aerial images of fields. They identify areas that need attention. GPS technology enables precise application of fertilizers and pesticides. This reduces their environmental impact. Precision agriculture offers numerous advantages. It improves resource efficiency. Farmers use less water, fertilizer, and pesticides. It increases crop yields. This helps address global food security. It reduces the environmental footprint of farming. This is crucial for a sustainable future. Section 5. Bringing the farm to the city. The urban farming revolution. Cities are often seen as concrete jungles, but a quiet revolution is taking place. Urban farming is transforming city spaces. Rooftops, balconies, and vacant lots are becoming productive gardens. Urban farms come in many forms. There are rooftop gardens. These utilize unused space. There are community gardens. These bring people together around food. There are vertical farms. These offer a high-tech solution in urban environments. Urban farming provides numerous benefits. It increases access to fresh local food. This is particularly important in food deserts. It creates green spaces in cities. This improves air quality and aesthetics. It fosters community building and education. People connect with nature and learn about food production. Section 6. A Bountiful Future, Sustainable Agriculture's Promise. The future of farming is inextricably linked to sustainability. As we face the challenges of a growing population and a changing climate, the need for sustainable practices becomes ever more apparent. The trends discussed in this essay offer a glimpse into a future where agriculture is not only productive, but also environmentally responsible. Vertical farming allows us to grow food in urban areas, reducing transportation costs and emissions. Regenerative agriculture focuses on soil health, ensuring long-term fertility and carbon sequestration. Precision agriculture optimizes resource use, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Urban farming brings food production closer to consumers, fostering community engagement and access to fresh produce. These innovative approaches to agriculture are not just trends, they are essential for a sustainable future. By embracing these practices, we can create a food system that nourishes both people and the planet. The future of farming is bright, filled with the promise of abundant, healthy food produced in harmony with nature.